Hello friends, how is it going? It's me, Betty Jean. We are in black and white because we're doing a palette bingo today. I'm so excited. I wanted to do a little bingo pairing the original Annette, Tina, and Judy legendary Diversa collabs with Oden's Eye with their newest ones because they just came out with round 2. So I'm pairing all 6 together to create this look that you will eventually see once we complete it. I had a lot of fun today. I'm excited for you to see what shenanigans we get up to, and it's gonna be a good time. Before we get into the look, even though we're in black and white, you will eventually see the details, but this necklace I think is from either Shop Sun & Co. or Raven Beads. It's really old. These raven earrings are from the brand Spooky Doodle Club, and my nail polish of the day is the old KL Polish Ace with Moon Cat's Moon Dust over top of it. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in and do some palette bingoing. All right, friends, hello. We are gonna get into it. I want to do a palette bingo with not only the new collab palettes with Oden's Eye, but because this was a round 2 with the same collaborators, I wanted to combine them with their original collabs. So I have all 6 of them here. These are all in collaboration with Annette's Makeup Corner, Tina from the Fancy Face, and Judy. Super exciting stuff, and I'm really excited to pair all these together. So for the original collabs, we have Annette's here. This is Giant Wolves. Looks like this. This is actually my favorite of all 6. Tina's first collab, the Hummingbird palette, looks like this. Super lovely, colorful. And Judy's original Red Dragon palette. This one is a yummy fall dream. It's so pretty. And then we have the new palettes. So here's Tina's, the Earthwood palette. So pretty. This would pair so beautifully with the Hummingbird. We have Annette's Mighty Monster palette right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, cute. And we have Judy's new Spring Dragon palette. I love how both have the dragon theme. I think that's so fun. So yeah, these are all vastly different color stories, and I'm really curious how these are gonna all pair together. I'm going to randomly generate a shade from each palette, so we'll have 6 to play with. I'm gonna pull up a random number generator right now on Google. I'm gonna set it 1 to 12, and I think I'm just gonna arrange these in alphabetical order really quick to make it random again. All right, I alphabetized them. So first is gonna be the Earthwood palette. I have it set 1 to 12. We got shade number 8. All right, we got the shade Life, this cute matte kind of corally pink color. Love that. Off to a fine start so far. There are some beautiful shimmers in these palettes, so I am hoping we get a shimmer for sure. Next is gonna be Giant Wolves palette. So I have it set 1 through 12, number 4. All right, we got Annihilation. Cool, we got the black. Can't go wrong with that. Kind of wish we would have gotten one of the more interesting shades than a black, but I'm not mad at it. I'm always here for some drama. Next is gonna be the Hummingbird palette. So I have it set, again, obviously 1 to 12. They're all 1 to 12. So we got number 8 again. I guess Tina's doing 8 2 times. All right, we got the shade Beach Sands, kind of the, I don't know, sandy color. How else to explain it? The more goldeny, shiny shimmer. We're feeling very neutral so far. Because even like the corally pink alongside of these almost looks neutral in comparison. Next we have Mighty Monster. Let's see what number we get. We got number 6. All right, we got Oceanic. We got the light blue. Very cute, very cute. What an interesting color story so far. I'm not sure what this is gonna end up being, but we're gonna find out. Next is the Red Dragon palette. We got shade number 8. We keep getting 8s. Every other palette is an 8. We got this one here, Yin, kind of like the burnt, bricky brown color. Okay, I'm not mad at that actually. I feel like it's all looking really cohesive with a pop of blue. So the palette bingo is just palette bingoing itself today. And last, of course, we have the Spring Dragon palette. There are a couple neutrals in there, but it's looking like we'll probably get a pop of color. So let's see what that is. Number 3. All right, we got another pink. We got Blossom. Palette bingo gods knew what they wanted today. This is such a cohesive color story. Of all the combinations we could have gotten with this bingo, I was not expecting this. So yeah, I'm going to gather my thoughts, figure out exactly what I want to do, even though I'm pretty sure this wrote itself. Yeah, and I'll get back to you when I have all my brushes and my thoughts organized. Okay, I think I have my thoughts gathered. I'm gonna start by priming with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. I'm going to smear it on and blend it out. I'm thinking we're gonna do a very smoky, like that brick into like the pinks deepened up with the black. We'll do the shimmer on the lid, and I really want that blue to be my inner corner pop. I think that would be really, really cute and kind of fun. Add a little bit of funkiness to this. We'll see how this goes. I can't believe we got like all these mattes too. I'm surprised we only got one shimmer, but I can't get over how cohesive that is. It's crazy. So I do think I want to start with Yin from the Red Dragon palette, that bricky color. This one right here. I want to start with that using my Singe E02 brush, and I'm just going to kind of plop this in the outer corner and just start kind of, I don't know, creating a little bit of depth out here. Forgot how lovely this palette is. It's been a while since I've used it. I think I included it in my fall favorites last year. But it's so, so pretty. All these palettes are really pretty. I think they've all done a really good job. Kind of sort of something like that to start with. So next, I think I want to blend the outer edge with the shade from the Earthwood palette. That's what I'm thinking. Life, that corally shade. I'm going to use this Oden's eye brush, the FR1. And I'm just going to very lightly just start fluffing this at the outer edge of this look. I'm going to wipe my brush off periodically too. Nothing too crazy here. I just want a little bit of a fluff going on out here. I'm only using it on the outer part of the eye because I want to use the brighter pink on the front. Just something to add some contrast since they're kind of similar. Kind of something like that, just like a blurred, diffused moment. All right, I want to go ahead and do that pop in the front, I think. So I'm going to go into that Spring Dragon palette and grab Blossom right there. And use my Kaleidos S2 brush, and that is going to go here in the front for a cute little, oh yeah, that adds some distinction for sure. This one looks a lot more like candy bubblegum pink compared to over here where it's very like corally. This is gonna be such an easy breezy bingo, I feel like. Not mad though, not mad. I do work today, so I don't need to look crazy. Palette bingo gods were on my side today. All right, let's deepen things up now. We're going into the Giant Wolves palette, taking the black right there. And with this, I'm just gonna take my little Singe, what are you? The E05. And I'm just gonna like kind of tippy tap this against the lashes in the outer corner and kind of just drag it. I'm just grabbing little bits at a time because I don't want this to get out of control. I just want a little bit of smokiness. I don't necessarily need the black to like take over. I did consider doing a black smoky eye and then having like the pops of color everywhere else, but I was like, I don't know. Kind of want to do something a little more creative than just like a black smoky eye. This seemed more fun to me in the moment. So just kind of lightly feathering like that. Just getting a little bit of smokiness going on. Now with the outer corner, I'm just gonna kind of go back down the line. I'm gonna take just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit more of Yin and just kind of lightly run this along the edge of that black, just so that everything is smudged really nicely. And taking just a smidgen more of Life, that coral, just to re-intensify this outer fluffiness. Feeling pretty good about that. I need to do my shimmer now, so I'm gonna take my NYX glitter primer. I use some form of glitter primer with every shimmer ever. Grab a little bit of that and tippy tap that across my lid. So far I'm actually really digging this look. I think it's cool. And I'm gonna dip into the Hummingbird palette and I'm gonna grab Beach Sands just on my finger. And I'm gonna tap this across the lid. I mean, as much as I'm not into like a neutral shimmer typically, like if I'm gonna play with neutrals, I'd still usually prefer a funky shimmer. This does flow really nicely. It does look quite nice. And I do like that pop of pink in the front. And I think that pop of blue in the inner corner and probably a little on that lower lash line, I think that's really gonna tie it all together. Sometimes neutrals aren't the enemy. This is quite nice. Before I do the blue, I do wanna go back in with just a little bit more pink from the Spring Dragon palette, just to re-intensify up here just a tiny bit and make sure it flows into that shimmer really nicely. I really like that splash in the front. I think that's fun. And I kind of like the combination of utilizing those two totally different kinds of pinks. I think that's really cool. Even this look by itself is really cool. Like it's obviously more subdued, but with pops of pink, but it's nice. But we're gonna add my pop of blue now from the Mighty Monster. I'm gonna take Oceanic. I'm just gonna be using this little pencil brush. It's not dirty, it's just stained. And I'm gonna take Oceanic, and that is gonna go in my inner corner. I need more pigment than that. I grabbed barely any because I was scared. Yeah, just start building that up. Little pop there. Oh, that's actually really, really charming. So I'm also gonna fluff it in that front part of that lower lash line and just let it kind of fade into what I already have going on down there. So just kind of lightly building that up. That is so pretty. That like literally took the look to the next level. I'm actually kind of astounded. I can't believe how much this baby blue like brought so much life and interest to this. This is really, really cute. I love the way that pink and blue play together in the front. This is so pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this up. I'm gonna throw on either just mascara or lashes. I don't know what I'm feeling yet. I'm gonna throw on probably a baby blue eye pencil if I have one that matches nicely. Something on my lips, probably one of the newer lip products from the collaborations. And I'll be back when I'm complete. Here is the final look. I really like how this came out. I picked out some earrings. I felt like the crows matched the vibe of the rest of my outfit, but then the blue went with the blue. That pop of blue, not that it saved the day because that's dramatic because the look was looking really pretty without it, but that blue like took it to the next level. I think it's so, so pretty. Obviously I went for just a mascara vibe today. I think it looks good. I went with the light blue pencil from Oden's just to bring forth more of that blue energy. And then on my lips, my lip combo is Nude Honey Pencil from Lawless with the Tina collab gloss in the shade Endurance. I think it's pretty. I think the warmth kind of complements what's going on out here really nicely. And overall, I'm quite happy with this look and I hope you like it as well. Let's zoom out and finish up this video. Thanks so much for watching my video. I had so much fun today. I think it came out so cool. I really, really like this look. It was definitely in my favorite today. So thank you, Palette Bingo gods. I'm very curious, would you have done something similar to me if you were given these shades? Would you have done something totally different? I would love to know what you would have done. And what do you think of these palettes? Do you have any of the originals? Do you want any of the new ones? Did you order any on launch day? I would love to know. If you made it to the end of this video, please leave a blue emoji because the blue is the star of the show here. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm BATTYBEAN there as well. You can also subscribe. I'm posting most days over here. You can also join my channel memberships. You'll get fun little perks, including a members only video once a month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.